I just wanted to show you what I found. Look, pirate ship taken off. Well, sailing off. It's usually just docked on the side. I haven't seen it move yet. Pirate ship! Quick shift to see that. I now really want to go on it. Be looking into how to go on there. Anyway, hello to everyone. Look at this gorgeous sunny day. Everyone's out on the water, having fun. I think we're definitely going to have to make a trip out today. Anyway, I just wanted to show you the pirate ship. Goodbye, pirate ship. Oh, is my toast ready? So I'm going. See you all soon.